Wow. Check this one out. This is a new Bugatti Tourbillon. And guess what? The doors, they finally, look, they got the doors up. Got the doors open like that. Wow. It says Tourbillon. Excuse me. Whoa. Is that hell? Yeah, it's a V12 engine. Aspirate. This is a V12 engine right here. Wow. This is a $1,000 car. Look at this. Wow. This is so amazing. It's got that Chiron front end. Sorry. Wow. This is amazing. Oh, super. This is Triumph right here.
By the way, I didn't forget. You will be a dinner. You do. So I'm going to send you the bill for me tonight. Sure.
This is so amazing.
Let's check out this car. Let's go around. Remember when we picked up 11?
I like these carbon fiber everywhere. Like, yo, it's beauty right here. Absolutely stunning cars ever. Signing off.